I'm Aubrey, and since moving onto the ocean over 10 years ago with my tiny pink boat, I've been dreaming of a big, beautiful pirate ship. And finally, I did it.
All right, we've installed the starter.
My big kids are almost grown now. And we've seen the beauty of nature and the power of the wind and the magnificence of the sea. Now I have a beautiful new baby on board, and we are about to embark on a brand new adventure from this beautiful pirate ship. We are headed to the Panama Canal. Join us for an adventure of a lifetime.
It feels like it's been forever!
Watch out!
And everyone ready?
Yeah, ready when you are.
Okay.
It's just 16 miles to Poros, and it's the second to the last night on the water.
As you guys know, last night the girls went drinking, and now it's a little sporty out here, so that's unfun. How are we feeling?
Oh, just fine.
Oh, good. Oh, good. We got Bobby hauling up the main. No. Yes, sounds like the main. There we go. We're sailing.
Working on it.
Oh, you need to release the reef.
Some part of me always thought the ultimate expression of freedom is to set out and solo sail. But I've realized after over a decade of sail, both alone and together, shared moments are so much sweeter. So I've been thinking, why have I had such a hard time in the grand stadium of love? What if it's the fact that I'm a romantic? Meaning all facets must hold a sense of it, a softness and a beauty that is worthy of being retold. Held next to that, what wouldn't fall from grace? Both sailing in the context of weather and relationships in the context of love have begun to teach me to find the beauty in polarity. So perhaps all is not lost.
Woo! Yeah.
As I look at these two beautiful and accomplished women, I realize all three of us are single. How does one find love these days in the modern world? Fate? Chance? Or in the digital jungle of options where we risk the vapid experience of a curated expression of truth? So here I am, watching, wondering, what if?
Big giant ocean out here, but he decides to pass us 100 feet off our boat. And now we have a nice wake coming at us. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
Oh, so nice. not even a Maui tip. No.
Bunch of it.
For later times, just kidding. Is there another baby? Baby! There's another, where's a baby? That's right! Good job! That was our roughest sail. I haven't been seasick in a long time, but I think I picked up like a little something in South Africa. My stomach is like really, and it's a little upset. So Jordan's like, are you feeling okay? Jordan and I have sailed a lot together and she's never seen me seasick, but today I had a little bit of an issue. Do you need a hand, Bobby?
Either tie this off or put it in reverse starboard.
From the air, the island forms a perfect heart shape. Technically, Poros consists of two landmasses. Cefaria, the smaller volcanic one, with a town, and Calvaria, the larger, greener one. For my Greek friends out there, you must excuse my pronunciation. The narrow channel between them gives the island its name Poros, or passage. Poros is just about an hour ferry ride to Athens, from the bustling mainland to the tranquil island, perfect for a spontaneous escape. Popping off the boat in Poros was such a treat.
Yeah, that's a passerelle of note. Try it out, Bobby.
No. I mean, look, I guess it'll work. It's a real you'll do situation. Cheers, guys. So they do this a lot in Greece, you know, green, blue and white is their I don't know, country flag colors and all that. So they paint the streets like this white and then they have the blue. It's really pretty, and then they have these tiny little, you know, back alleys that you go down, and it's just gorgeous.
Hey, Cookie Monster! There's Bobby doing the Lord's work. Editing away. He works so hard. Okay. Now, where's Joe? Oh, get down there.
I have big hopes and dreams of baby Violet falling in love with both the sea and sailing. My big kids, Blake and Bianca, passed through the hard years.
Oh, thanks. So I've ground out. Wow, muscles. Wow. Fave, what's up?
Oh, so that's around Fisher.
The best candy store, and I'm doing this vlog with my brother.
As the tutelage I received was from the School of Hard Knocks. By the time it became fun, they had become disenchanted. However, I have hope and a vision of all of us enjoying the seeds we've sown together to bring this dream of an adventure at sea to life once more.
We sailing?
Yeah.
Best time ever?
Yeah.
Here's some coffee for you.
Oh, thank you.
Beautiful morning.
Okay, guys, check out this black cat next to us. This 60-foot sun reef is real pretty. I wanted to try to get on it, but I don't see the owner.
Just walking on it.
I often think what I would want to teach Violet about looking for love. What comes to mind is time spent learning before we just jump in is so important. The excitement and newness often overshadows clear and sometimes hard truths. So if I could teach Violet one thing, cultivating patience will afford you future peace in spades.
Is that a yawn that I just caught on camera? Is somebody sleepy night-night time? Sleepy night-night?
Next week, we visit the secret crystalline bay of my dreams. I'll see you next time on Sailing Miss Lone Star. And if you can't wait till next week, check out my daily show in the description below. A huge thank you to my patrons for making these videos possible. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. This is my life, 365 days a year.
Good morning, world! We are doing rigging things.
Yes?
Good morning, world. We just put up the sail. Good morning, world. It's coffee time. Good morning, world. We are ready for action. Good morning, world. Good morning, world. We're in Mexico. Good morning, world. It's another day. Good morning, world. Today, I'm going to do nothing.
So what's happening?
I am here taking guitar lessons from Simon. No, I'm not. Real deal. So let's go to the beach and see what we can get done. Good morning, world. I am making breakfast. Brother's here. He wants to go karaoke. I'm ready. So much cheaper than a parrot. Ow! I was thinking that I would spend my 40s surfing in Hawaii.
What?
All wet.
All wet. All wet. All wet.
I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be doing now. After, I don't know what to do with my hands. Ready.
Now you can.
Okay. Yes. My mom said I could. My favorite fans are the ones that blow hot air up my ass. So my 12-hour flight has turned into a 22-hour travel day. I was gonna video the food for you guys that we ordered, but I got excited and ate it. So the recap is So we did not do anything that we set out to do, but we did have a good time. Hello, daily vlog people. Fusion outfit. The good news is my sleeping tablet wore off. The bad news is my sleeping tablet wore off. Well, 2 dozen oysters and now 3 glasses of wine, and maybe I am feeling a little thirsty.